In this video tutorial, we'll cover how to use the advanced dimming feature of the Flic Twist. Advanced dimming works the same way as smart dimming, but with much more options. When rotating, you can adjust brightness, color, or saturation simultaneously, sequence the lights, and add events. To use the advanced dimming action of the Flic Twist, you need to first connect your Flic to a Flic hub. Find out how in the How to Set Up a Hub and a Twist tutorial. Once connected, choose your twist from the Flic app and select either the twist or the push and twist trigger by pressing the respective plus icon. Select the advanced dimming option and you can now see the control panel of the twist. Here, you'll find trigger points that correspond to different dimming percentages. The trigger on the bottom left stands for 0%, while the one on the right for 100%. To offer more flexibility, you can add up to 2 extra trigger points by tapping the plus symbol. Now, let's look at an example. We're going to try to set up the twist to go from a bright afternoon mode to a cozy night mode. To do this, select the trigger of your choice and choose Advanced Dimming. Here, you'll select the 0% point and then choose a device option by tapping the plus symbol. Here, select IKEA dirigera, for example, and choose the light you want to control at the chosen point. In this case, we chose an orange color with a high brightness. Press done so the action is saved, then proceed to the next point you want to customize, which in our case is the 50%. Here we will dim the light to a less bright orange. You will then need to follow the same procedure and press done so the actions are always saved. Finally, we would like to set up the 100% point, where we choose and customize the device and the light to 0% brightness, so it will dim the lights completely off. Additionally, you can set up to trigger a different action at the same time you dim off your lights, such as starting your nighttime playlist. To do this, instead of choosing the device, you will need to choose the actions. Tap the plus button again. You'll then be presented with a list of our integrations. Here, for example, choose Sonos from the list. Pick a speaker you already connected to and define the action you want to be triggered when the Flic Twist is at the selected point. Again, tap Add to confirm the action. This will enable you to change the different modes for different times of the day.